Welcome to CAT with Clarity. Most students get confused in boats and streams because they try to memorize formulas without understanding the concept. But in this video, I'll teach you the entire chapter in the easiest way possible, with shortcuts, tricks, and exam level questions. After watching this video, you'll never fear this topic again. First, understand the core idea. If the boat moves with the water current, the stream helps the boat. This is called downstream. So speed increases. If boat speed in still water equal to B, stream speed equal to S, so downstream speed equals boat speed plus stream speed. But when the boat moves against the current, the stream slows it down. This is upstream. So upstream speed equals boat speed minus stream speed. Here's the easiest memory trick. With water means fast, so add. Against water means slow, so subtract. That's it. These two formulas are extremely important for exams. Boat speed is simply the average of downstream and upstream speeds, and stream speed is half of their difference. So stream speed equal to downstream minus upstream divided by 2. Memorizing these two formulas can save a lot of time in exams. Now let's solve a simple question. Downstream speed equal to 18 km per hour and upstream speed equal to 10 km per hour. Find boat speed and stream speed. Now let's, as seen in the formula in this slide, our boat speed will become downstream speed plus upstream speed divided by 2. So 18 plus 10 divided by 2 equal to 14 km per hour. Now stream speed equal to downstream minus upstream divided by 2. So 18 minus 10 divided by 2 equal to 4 km per hour. Notice how quickly we solved it using formulas. No long calculations needed. Now let's look at another example. A boat travels 36 km downstream in 3 hours. Find downstream speed. Use the basic speed formula. Speed equals distance divided by time. So 36 divided by 3 gives 12 km per hour. So downstream speed equal to 12 km per hour. Now let's solve an exam type question. Boat speed in still water equal to 15 km per hour. Stream speed equal to 3 km per hour. Find downstream speed and upstream speed. So we learned that downstream speed equal to what? Boat speed plus stream speed. So 15 km per hour plus 3 km per hour equal to 18 km per hour. And upstream speed against the water, so boat speed minus stream speed equal to 15 minus 3 equal to 12 km per hour. Now let's quickly revise these formulas. Downstream speed equal to boat speed plus stream speed. Upstream speed equal to boat speed minus stream speed. Boat speed equal to downstream plus upstream divided by 2. Stream speed equal to downstream minus upstream divided by 2. Pause the video and revise these formulas once. These four concepts are enough to solve most boat and streams question in the exam. Now I'll give you a question to solve yourself. Downstream speed is 20 km per hour. Upstream speed is 12 km per hour. Find boat speed and stream speed. Please answer this question and write your answer in the comments below. If you like this video or found this video helpful, then please like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we'll learn time and work shortcut and tricks for competitive exams. Also, please find my Telegram channel link in the description. In the Telegram channel, I daily share DI and Quant tricks and sets. So please subscribe to the Telegram channel. Thank you.